Swan like redneck style. Let's go washboarding.
I wash them turkeys.
Now let's go shooting it. Viva! Las Vegas. I wasn't done though.
Stop.
They
Are awesome.
Let's do the. Oh! That was amazing. This we call the prancing donkey. You don't look tired, man.
Y'all wake that baby up and y'all dead.
And now we call this the rapid squirrel attack. No, that is not it. Patty cake. Okay. Would you like to do it? We talk about it. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Don't make loud noises. No, not very loud.
And don't hurt me.
Ooh, how did I miss that one?
It's flat.
Y'all should air mattress wrestle. Just don't pop it.
Just air mattress. I'm gonna air mattress fly.
Please don't.
No, Maddie's too strong.
Please don't pop it.
I have cheerleading muscles. She has whatever she has. Gangsta.
Please don't pop it. You popped it. No screaming.
What? I thought she was gonna jump on me.
Hello, Mr. Deer.
It's a lovely dog.
A little bit too close.
Where did my jug go?
Probably in the dishwasher. I mean, not in the dishwasher, in the sink.
Watch the dog fly. Let's watch the dog fly. Oh, don't do that to poor baby. Ready?
I'm just gonna look at the thing. Baby. Hey, young me.
Stretch those muscles.
No, give me my phone. Do I have a message from Jesse?
No, but what's your password?
Give it here. I'm not telling you.
Well, I told you mine. You're not getting it back.
Here, then. Here.
All I know is we